Welcome, my mateys. It's unboxing time, and this time around, we're not going to pull out the knives, but this time we're going to use this coffee to unbox this package. Yes, that's right, because this coffee is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters. It's been a while since we've publicized their great handcrafted coffee because it's time, and I know when it's time because my coffee canister is about to run out. So big shout out to them so that they can give us a lifetime supply of coffee. I'm gonna keep doing that until they give us their lifetime supply of coffee. And here is the package, guys. No need for knives, just coffee instead. Let's open it up. Sip of coffee. You see, I'm using the coffee to actually unbox this package. There you go. You could already see that golden line on the package. That means that it's Revelot. Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! Oh my gosh! I can't. Okay. Now I have problems opening this up because I didn't use the knife. The problem. But through the power of Kunuku Coffee Roasters running through my veins, I'm now able to open this box. You see? That's how powerful this coffee is. Another sip. Revelot has finally sent us this model. This is their newest Hexmariner. There's quite a few plastic to unpack here, to unwrap here. Now, a little background with this Malaysian brand. They've been using, and they've been offering some really good and interesting because I can't really say that they're truly unique, but they manage to always make their designs interesting and not so homage, if you know what I mean, when it comes to their watch design. And they have a ton of plastic. I mean, come on, guys, what are you guys doing? Is this like it's kind of like one of those escape rooms, but without thinking about it. I'm gonna be okay. That's a lot of plastic, especially this end. How could you even add plastic to that? Plastic colors. But anyway, I guess they wanted to protect every piece of their component as you unbox them. And also, I guess they have a penchant for annoying you with all of these smaller plastics. Guys, less of these, guys. We're not Rolex here. I mean, even Rolex should take a page against other micro brands that look at that. Look at that now. That is actually pretty beautiful, not only for the color, but also that amazing effect. This is a purple mother of pearl on that is a very light bezel. Very, very light bezel. It's a distinct muted click. And very easy to turn. Now, would it be? I know. So it's very easy to turn, but you won't accidentally turn it like that. That should be like a new test there. It's kind of like rubbing the genie out of this watch. Ooh, that's a display case back and low. See that? And of course, there's more plastic to unpack too. And here also plastic there. Actually, that's satisfying. That's a little bit satisfying. Okay, there we go. Micro adjuster extension, and there's a display case back right there. It's a honeycomb mirror finish to hide that very bare movement. We have some good things. Let's put it on the wrist. Let's see. Oh man, it just hits the right and sweet spot for my 6 1/4 inch wrist. I love this. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is why I love this brand. This is why I requested to review this brand because of this particular model, and they asked us to do 2 different models first rather than this one, and finally we're able to review this. So as always guys, comments down below, we'll make it into the video review. So last time there were only a few comments, so I included all of the comments in the video review itself, but if there's too many, of course I only pick more or less 3 or 4 comments. That's my usual baseline. So comment down below if your comments are interesting or funny or has a very interesting question to ask. I will include it in the video review for this Revelot Hexmariner.